How to uninstall Eclipse Oxygen on Windows. To uninstall Eclipse Oxygen on Windows, you can follow these steps. 1. Open the control panel. 2. Click on Uninstall a program under Programs and Features. 3. In the list of installed programs, find and select Eclipse Oxygen. 4. Click on Uninstall. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. Alternatively, you can uninstall Eclipse Oxygen by manually deleting the following files and folders: * the Eclipse installation directory, typically located at /program files /Eclipse. * the Eclipse shortcut on your desktop, typically located at /users /your username /desktop. * the Eclipse shortcut in your start menu, typically located at /users /your username /start menu /programs /Eclipse. * the .p2 directory under your user home directory, typically located at /users /your username /.p2. Once you have deleted these files and folders, Eclipse Oxygen will be completely uninstalled from your computer. Please note that uninstalling Eclipse Oxygen will not remove any of your existing Eclipse projects or workspaces. If you want to remove these files, you will need to do so manually. Here are some known errors that may occur when uninstalling Eclipse Oxygen on Windows. * the uninstallation process may fail with an error message stating that the file is in use and cannot be deleted. This error can occur if Eclipse is currently running. To resolve this error, close Eclipse before attempting to uninstall it. * the uninstallation process may fail with an error message stating that the uninstall cannot be completed because a required file is missing. This error can occur if the Eclipse installation files are corrupted. To resolve this error, you will need to reinstall Eclipse. * the uninstallation process may fail with an error message stating that an error occurred while uninstalling Eclipse. This error can occur for a variety of reasons. If you encounter this error, you may need to contact the Eclipse support team for assistance. If you encounter any errors when uninstalling Eclipse Oxygen, you can try the following troubleshooting steps: * close all Eclipse applications. * restart your computer. * run the uninstallation program again. * if the uninstallation program still fails, contact the Eclipse support team for assistance.